Hello, Yan Yan! Happy birthday! Continue to love your family and continue to love God. Again, happy birthday!
Birthday, Yan Yan! We love you! Yan Yan! Happy birthday, Yan Yan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Yan Yan!
Hi Yan. Happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful birthday and bless you. Happy birthday, Neng.
Happy birthday, Ate Yan Yan. Happy birthday, Ate Yan Yan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Yan Yan. I love you, Ate Yan Yan. I miss you. Mama Chup Chup. Happy birthday, Ate Yan Yan.
Happy birthday, Yan Yan! 7th birthday! Magpakabait ka! Love you, Yan Yan! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Yen! Happy birthday! Pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo para maabot mo yung pangarap mo. God bless! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love you!
I love you, Ate Yan Yan.
Happy birthday, Ate Yan Yan!
Your birthday.
I love you!
I love you. We miss you. Magse-7 ka na.
Pakabait ka po!
Babait ka po ka dyan.
Miss ka na namin!
Miss ka na namin. Di ka na uuwi sa atin.
Pasyal ka dito sa Pampanga!
Pasyal ka dito sa Pampanga. Mga tutok. I love you, Ate Yan Yan. Bye.
Hi Yen, happy birthday! O, palagi kang maging mabait na bata, mag-aral ka ng mabuti, lagi mong babantayan at maging mabuti sa kapatid mo na si Yan Yan, okay? O, wag magiging bad. Happy birthday ulit! God bless you and wish you all good health on your birthday. Happy birthday ulit, Yen!
Hello, Yan Yan! Happy 7th birthday! Sana ay maging mabuti kang Kristiyano paglaki mo. At may takot sa Diyos. Mag-aral kang mabuti, huwag kang pasaway. Happy birthday and have a good health. And God bless you always. Bye-bye!